Welcome friends. Today I will show you how to find a lost device. For this I am using Find Device Android application. Click the application and you will find a screen. First of all, to find a lost device, you should have logged in with a Gmail ID in that lost device. If you have logged in with a Gmail ID in that lost device, please put the Gmail ID in that field. I am putting my Gmail ID saib.nexabit@gmail.com and continue. Here you have to put your password and sign in completed. Here you will find all the devices logged in with that Gmail ID. Remember that device connected with internet will only show here. Devices not connected with internet will not show here. You can see the location of device here, and you can also see the IMEI number here. You can go to the location and play sound by click play sound. You can send a alert message to lost device by click secure device button. You can erase all the data of your device from erase device option, and remember all this will done only if that lost mobile is connected with internet. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and be with us.